Facebook, why did you disable my ad account, man? Coffee. So randomly just Facebook disabled my account. This happens to a lot of people. Facebook doesn't really tell you specifically what you did wrong. You can appeal it and appeal it and appeal it, but most often you will not be able to get your ad account back. And what should you do? So when I got my Facebook ad account disabled, I was making like $600, $800 profit a day. And I was just like, you know, rolling in the dough. I was like, hell yeah. But then all of a sudden the next day, I literally made no sales. And I'm like, what the heck is going on? And then all of a sudden I check my Facebook and of course it's disabled. I was like, what the heck? I appealed this like a couple times and Facebook didn't tell me why. And it was just so frustrating because I'm like, what the heck am I supposed to do? But luckily I had an email list. Thank God. Collect emails as soon as you start. But I had an email list, so luckily I could sync that to a new ad account and just go from there. It wasn't gonna be the same sales right away because, you know, I had to optimize. The weird thing is, like, this happens to a lot of people. Like, people will be making thousands a day and all of a sudden Facebook will disable your account and people are just left in the dark, which is just messed up. Like, come on, Facebook, what is going on here? These are the things that you should do. Have an email list, because if this happens, you can sync your email list to a new Facebook ad account and have 2 different pixels running into 2 different ad accounts. If one gets deleted, you still have the other one and you can just keep on going. And also Facebook will ban your whole ads manager and you can't run ads on your profile. When that happens, the best thing to do, talk to a family member that really doesn't use Facebook and use their ads manager and just tell them the situation, because Facebook just sucks sometimes. And honestly, don't just use Facebook ads. There's Snapchat ads, there's Google ads, I mean there's Pinterest ads. I honestly recommend using Snapchat ads because they're so cheap and that cost per click is amazing. So I recommend using that. And if you guys haven't really, you know, thought of that, I mean, go check it out. But there's a ton of other ways to market, not just Facebook ads. So hopefully you guys got some value in that. And it's Sunday, I'm gonna go enjoy my day. I think we're going to the zoo, so I hope you guys have a great day as well. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.